Outpost is sort of the culmination of all of our experience to date in Revelstoke. I've never seen anything like Outpost.
We've really made a commitment to building the most affordable homes that people actually want to live in.
It is comprised of 3 buildings. There's innovation packed into every single corner.
We're building to the spec a home that everyone wants. Nice coarse countertops. They want clean, modern design, but we don't want it to be $1,000 a square foot. We want it to be affordable.
We're sitting here in Kovac Park, which is a brand new community park. Has a brand new skate park. Kids are playing in it right now. A brand new tot lot, basketball hoop. Right along it is the Revelstoke Greenbelt, and that Greenbelt goes into a whole network of hiking trails. But the downtown of Revelstoke is truly a magical place. There are not many places with the level of amenity as Revelstoke. World-class golfing, world-class hiking, world-class mountain biking, fishing, camping, dirt biking, snowmobiling, skiing. Everything you want is already here. You're not waiting in Revelstoke, and that's why we love it.
And I feel like the main goal of Outpost is we're going to have the ability to keep people in Revelstoke.
Whether it's their first home, whether it's their first investment property or a rental,
they're actually going to be able to stay and make Revelstoke a home with Outpost.